Hello YouTubers, today I Kabir going to unbox this new Canon EOS 1200d which is of 2 lens kit. It is also available in another variant which is of 1 lens kit which is 18 to 55 lens kit. It is also known as Rebel T5 in other countries. I have bought this unit from Flipkart. So let's unbox this and see what we will get inside it. First of all, we will get some documentations, driver CD, manuals and etc. After that, we will get a lens of 18 to 55 inside it with image stabilizer too. I just keep it aside. A strap which is of good quality. I think it is a micro USB cable, a charger, battery and a power cable. I think the charger is not having a power cable, so it is removable power cable. And let's see what's inside this box. Okay, inside this box we will get bigger lens 55 to 250 lens which is also having image stabilizer stage 2, I mean IS2. Now the main body. The body of 1200d, the masterpiece of our camera unit. So let I just keep the things aside. Okay, so the body. The body looks very premium and have good leather finish here. As you can see, may I focus on it? Yes, it is having a good leather finish, lightweight, but we will see what will be the weight after inserting the battery inside it. Let's keep it aside. It is a battery. It is 860 mAh battery, 7.4 volt. Let me just close it up. Yes, it is 860 mAh battery, 7.4 volt battery. This is 55 to 250 with image stabilizer 2 lens kit which have auto and manual focus. Image stabilizer, we can also control image stabilizer manually by doing this on and off. And this is 18 to 55 lens which is also having an image stabilizer too. And this is also having auto and manual functionality and image stabilizer on and off. And we get a memory card of 8 GB. So let's assemble all of this. So let's boot it up the device and see. I have not inserted the memory card, so that's why it is showing please insert the memory card. But without memory card, oh, I sure forgot. It is the first boot, and so I hope that you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. And the image samples are included at the end of this module. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.